Over the years, we've been really gifted at Northern Virginia Periodontics. Dr. Carlos and I have really assembled a fantastic team, and they come to work thinking like owners instead of thinking like employees, and they give their heart and soul to the patients.
Everyone that I dealt with at every level was very competent, and I never felt bad about coming to this office. I didn't have any of those fears of going to the dentist.
I think that patient comfort is one of the main reasons people don't seek out the care that they need. And it's our job to let them know that we're here for you, we're listening to you. We want to make this a good experience for you. Because you can provide all the technology and all the techniques, but if you're not empathetic, if you're not providing a comfortable experience for the patient, they're not going to show up to get the treatment that they need. So from day one, we want to make sure that you are welcome, you are heard, and you are cared for. You are our family. And so that to me is why it's very important that we provide a comfortable environment for people to get their treatment.
One of the most powerful parts of being a periodontist is genuinely helping people recover their dental health and their confidence and their smile. Dr. Carlos and myself keep close tabs on the technology that is available to bring into our practice. And when we scrutinize these technologies, we really have one goal in mind. Our goal is to provide the absolute safest, most accurate, and beneficial treatment that we can for the patient who chooses to use Northern Virginia Periodontics.
In teaching what we call them best practices, where the practitioners have looked at all the array of options and really know the best thing to do in any given situation. And to me, this is a practice that uses best practices to really give their patients what they need. I'm impressed. I go to a dentist I really like, and I really respect him, and he's the one that recommended Dr. Gouldin, and I've got nothing but good things to say.
Our goal for our patients is to provide them with the absolute best periodontal and dental implant experience possible. When a patient leaves our office, we would feel satisfied if they felt as if we had treated them the way we might treat a family member.